The Scarlet Tanager is a medium-sized American songbird. Until recently, it was placed in the tanager family, but it and other members of its genus are now classified as belonging to the cardinal family. Despite their bright coloring, sightings of this bird are a rarity. This is primarily because they are found only in the upper canopy of trees where they spend their time moving slowly in search of food. They're also one of the most frustratingly hard to find as they stay high in the forest canopy singing rich, burry songs. Female scarlet tanagers are yellow below and olive above, with grayish wings and tail. The longest, the magpie tanager, is 28 centimeters and weighs 76 grams. The heaviest is the white-capped tanager, which weighs 114 grams and measures about 24 centimeters. The male scarlet tanager sings a burry series of 4 to 5 chirruping phrases with a hurried quality.